Josh here with FASS Fuel Systems. We're proud to announce the release of our Signature Series system for the Ford Excursion that's equipped with a 7.3 liter or 6 liter Powerstroke engine. Now this kit comes with everything you need from hardware, fittings, bracketry, and electrical to install this system on your Excursion. Our Signature Series system comes equipped with our extreme water separator, which removes over 99% of the water in your diesel fuel, filters dirt and particulates down to 2 micron absolute, and removing entrained air and air vapor from your diesel fuel. Now for more information on this system or to find a dealer near you, log on to fastride.com.